Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AAAFx account to ZuluTrade. So first step to doing it is you have to visit ZuluTrade.com. Once you're there, you'll see on the top right hand corner a register button. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll be met with the create an account page. So very self-explanatory, just fill out your first name, last name, country, telephone number, email address, and enter a password. Once all filled out, go ahead and click on create account. Now ZuluTrade will send a code to your email address, which you need to go over to your email and input the code. Once inputted, click verify email. And now you can finish setting up your profile. If you'd like to add a display picture, go ahead. Otherwise, just go ahead and click continue. Now you want to go ahead and click on continue with live registration. But here it asks you, do you have an existing broker account? And to that you have to select yes. If you want to connect your AAAFx account to ZuluTrade, go ahead and click yes. On the select platform, go ahead and select the platform you use to trade. I'm going to select MT4 4. Now on the broker list, go ahead and find AAAFx. And there is AAAFx. We're going to click on that. So here you can enter your trading account username and password. This is the username and password you use to log into MT4 4 on AAAFx. And once you're done, go ahead and click connect account. Now our AAAFx account is being connected to ZuluTrade. And that's it. Your AAAFx account is now connected to your ZuluTrade account. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.